Let me turn it off. So I'm going to turn it off right now so you guys can see. Crypto's right in front of me, but if you can't see him, let me go ahead and turn it on. All right, today we're going to bring a massive light, and this is an LED light with solar panel on the back. Very simple to install. You're going to need the pole, and of course they give you all the tools that you require, well, except for the screwdriver or any of the other tools that you're going to require to install this. But they give you a remote control, and on the remote control is very simple. They do include the batteries in here too. The remote control is very simple. It has on and off. We have 25%, 75%, 50%, and 100%. Now, this is for the sensor, and because we got a motion sensor on, all right? You got 2 hours, 3 hours, 6 hours, 5 hours, and 8 hours, all right? So if you want to set this up on a timer, you can do that. This could last you up to 12 hours, depending, even higher sometimes, depending on the number amount of sun rays that are hitting the actual solar panel to charge it. So let's put it to use today. And let's put it up high and see how it looks. All right, it's up in the pole. I like that they give you this butterfly nut to actually tie it up. So we're gonna go ahead and set it up. We took out all the plastics. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 plastics we had to take off. Now we're just gonna turn it on and then come back at night and set it up. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, let's check out the light itself. If you guys can see, it's really bright. I have it around 12 feet high. It illuminates the whole thing, and like I said, the controller is very simple to use. Let me turn it off. So I'm going to turn it off right now so you guys can see. Crypto's right in front of me, but if you can't see him, let me go ahead and turn it on so you can see him. He's right here. So that's how dark it is here in the back, and it illuminates this whole entire area. And I only have it 12 feet, so I'm able to clean the pool at night, pretty much do what I need to do in the backyard. Very simple to use. I like the light. It's very high. It's bright. Illuminates the whole place. I hope you guys enjoy the video.